Hello and welcome to GeekAtPlay Studio Tutorials. In this tutorials, we'll look on some render options, and specifically what on render options I want to look, it is on a multipass and gbuffer. So for those who is not familiar with these options, this is additional options that allowed you have it process extra layers in your render, so you can go in post-production maybe in After Effects and use a gbuffer, or going in Photoshop and using multipass, multi-layers, so you can after post-processing work on your image. So let's look very fast what is this meaning, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up very simple scenery. So we have it sphere. Okay, we'll have it nice, and we'll have it cube. So we'll have three different objects. We also will go ahead, create layer, move it right there. Let's go to atmosphere, and we'll load it atmosphere with the clouds. So we'll have it also cloud layer. Now to access the multipass or gbuffer, we need switch couple things. One, we need to be sure we run a rendered screen and at least at final mode. In more advanced, you probably go to user settings, and we will look in render other options soon in our next tutorial, but right now let's look right here. So to enable, we just need to click and checkbox enable gbuffer, or you can go inside edit and also enable checkboxes from inside the options screen. Okay, again, gbuffer, it's work for the z depth and material, and this is mostly if you using with After Effects, this is very useful, or camera tracking, or many other ones. And we kind of look on depth with this in our VFX tutorials types, but right now I want to look more on the gbuffer, and some similarity will be between two of those. So right here in a multipass, we have options to select all layers we wanted. First, as a post-process atmosphere, all these options, and you can see as a Z depth, and some of them already by default is enabled. Okay, we have it layer masks, we can have it cloud mask. Okay, also select by material or by the object. So example, if I want to select all these three. Next, we can save as a multi-layer PSD Photoshop format, or we can save as separate files. The reasons why you want to select as separate files, in some cases, Photoshop can have a limited amount how many layers it can save it. So you may run out of layers when you try to save everything. On that case, you may maybe want to use it separate files. For now, because we have it just on a few layers, I will use it multipass Photoshop PSD format. And let's go ahead and browse and save in our tutorial folder. So I'll go ahead, save right here. Okay, click OK. And I'll just save 800. And I go ahead and render this composition. It's take a little time, and also because I'm using network rendering, if I'm right, it should be my second network node just kick in very soon. Okay, so just done. Okay, and also notification that I was using linear workflow, so my gamma correction applied. I click OK, and currently it says 1.8. If you're using, I'll just set 2.2 to be similar with the other one. Okay, 2.2. Let's click OK. So I'll click OK, and again, I don't need to truly save because it is a render with a saving multipass. Now what I'm going inside the Photoshop, and we'll go ahead and open file there. Okay, so right here I have my multipass file that I saved. You notice we have all these layers currently saved, so we can go ahead and check some of them. Okay, and right here all our scenery, and you notice we have a mask just for this object that we was selecting. Okay, we also have a diffuse lighting, we have other options. Sometimes you may have artifacts and its quality, what we said before, maybe wasn't good enough, so we need pop up on this case. We also have options for our shadows. post-processive applied. As well, if we look in channels, we also have it alpha channels included our clouds mask. So it's actually very nice because the Vue provide these very nice separations and layers. You can use it, and it's useful in some cases. For example, you can go ahead and just color correct it, maybe just for the specific objects. Okay, and again we can go inside the alpha channel. Okay. So we can overlay with channel, and you can see how useful this can be if you want have it more post work or kind of advanced editing afterwards in on your image. Okay, thank you for watching this tutorial from GeekAtPlay Studio. Please remember, visit us on our web is www.geekatplay.com.